In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Sendit on Snapchat. First, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Snapchat or you have installed your Snapchat on your phone device. So to do that, you just have to go to Google Play Store, type Snapchat. If you haven't installed it, click install. Now, if you have installed it already and if it's not yet updated, click update in order for you to use the latest version of Snapchat application. Now, once you're done with installing or updating, all you have to do is to click open. Another thing is, of course, you have to make sure that you already installed the Sendit application. To install, just search for Sendit and then click install. Wait for a couple of seconds and then once done, click open. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay, so in order for you to change the words here, all you have to do is to simply tap this one and edit. So if you want to change the question or anything here, all you have to do is to simply click the dice and it will change the questions, the words. And apart from this one, you could also choose other option here. You just have to tap this X and go back to your Set homepage. So here you can tap play. And once you tap this one and select or choose play, it will take you directly to your Snapchat account. Let's just say you want to play the game this or that. Click play and wait for a couple of seconds as it is heading to your Snapchat account. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Click continue. Then automatically you can see that picture on your Snapchat. All you have to do is just simply click this one. So here it is. So when people watch your story and they will click that link, then it will take them directly to your Sendit account. So that's how easy it is to do Sendit on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.